Hey guys, I'm now here at the Ludo-Chonghua Cemetery here in Cebu City. So Kaniyuan is one of the oldest cemeteries here in the city. And karon atong tan-awon kay nay project ang Rotary Club. Gitawag ni siya urban gardening project. So may empty lots diri panghimo ni giturn into gardens, and these are maintained by the people living inside this cemetery. So, arong tanawan, let's check it out. So guys, mani ang community here inside Ludo-Chonghua Cemetery. Hello. Hello. So these are just some of the many mausoleums inside this cemetery. Some have been abandoned completely, so wala na gisulod ng uban. And obviously, some people already lived here. I don't know why wala na isulod. This one too. So wala na siya yung mga nitso. And it's also empty. So according to our guide, kani siya nga state is nilimpyo na gani ni siya. But previously this was very dirty. So karon ilan ning gi-maintain. Hopefully this part 2 ilan na usbon na daw. So ilan ning gilimpyuhan. And then nag-grouping sila, and each group composed of around 10 people from different households, mantingali. And then these groups mag-maintain a garden.
Uy, asa yung mama dong?
Apa kasi mama ay padong?
Kanina, nagpasing-pasing ang ito di ari.
So kani is group number 24. Nice na sila ikuan. Na sila ito term na scarecrow.
Guys, Elise na scarecrow.
Pero nindot siya na siya boots. And na siya hard hat. So he's very safe. So guys, some of these mausoleums have become homes. sa mga tao nga nagpuyo diri, and some have been abandoned. I saw some mga nitso nga empty and wala nagisulod. So I'm not sure if si status yun nga cemetery karon, but murag wala na gyud siya gi-maintain kayo, and the only people nga nag-maintain are the ones po nga nagpuyo diri.